Today's Thursday, August 12th. This is the 1967 one-year-only Cadillac Eldorado 3-prong variant kickdown switch dashpot bracket assembly. This will be going to my friend Josh in Indiana as soon as I give him this video and receive his OK to ship reply confirmation. I'm doing a functional validation test after having totally rebuilt the unit. The unit's been opened up and recalibrated, cleaned, and fully serviced. Okay, and we're going to do a functional validation test. The unit is connected to power with the power feed, and I'll go ahead and apply the two modalities for the kickdown switch pitch, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on as soon as I actuate the lever. And there we go in the first mode. Okay, put it back to neutral. Go ahead and change the prongs. Up here, reverse for the high pitch, and the light bulb comes on. So we've tested the high and the low, and this is the switch pitch modality, 1 year only, 1967 Cadillac Eldorado kickdown switch and dashpot assembly. This is the diaphragm, spring-loaded, vacuum-resistant diaphragm. Okay, and the unit is going to be shipping out. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado items. I have over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac components. Today is Thursday, August 12th. Thank you very kindly.